So we're here at our family's stall right here. Their food stalls, and also they sell other products here as well. Somebody. So this is my uncle's nephew, and this is his wife over here. So they're running their business today, and it's like right after New Year's. So people are still like, like basically trying to recover from that. But they have to work, they have to run their business. And so this is one of the many different businesses that they have to manage and run. And thankfully, the kids are in school today. And so, they're able to not have to worry about that during the day as the kids are busy and they're busy doing their work. And so, yeah, so my cousin's got some food here. And we're all just here, just visiting family, enjoying time, and I absolutely love that. So yeah, so check it out. So okay, okay. Oh, so he's telling me that just show him some of the fruits that they have. So check this out. They have some Asian pear here. Also over here, they have some dragon fruit over there. Just fresh fruits and produce right here. And this is for New Year's. Whenever for New Year's, you get these gift baskets and provide money and stuff, just to wish people a great New Year, and so all of these things are part of our Laotian culture. And it's really awesome that my family, they have a lot of these various businesses. And so it's really awesome to see that. Mm. นี่แม่นท่านขายขนมแซ่บมีนมมีน้ำปลาเข้าห้านแล้วละแม่นได้เบิดทุกอย่างมีเบิดทุกอย่างอันนี้ก็ของเรากับของเมียของเราเนี่ยเบิด2เนี่ยนะอันนี้จะเฮ็ดเวียกอยู่เมืองลาวแบบนี้จะว่ามันยากอยู่บ่แบบนี้นะก็ยากยากอยู่เพราะว่าได้หลายอย่างมันแยกมันย่อยเพื่อกับเจ็บหัว So what my cousin's saying is, they do own both of these, but they're saying that it's definitely not an easy business because there's a lot of items you have to pay for all of these, but they really do enjoy doing this. It allows them to take care of their family, their kids, and their extended families, and overall, this is really the life of most Laotians. If they're not working a normal job, they have a business like this, or they'll have a job, other businesses and stuff. And so I would say if you are somebody who is maybe new to this culture, it might be a little different just to kind of see this, but just after a while, you kind of see like this is normal life for most Laotians. And if you are fortunate enough to have a job, have multiple businesses, which most Laotians do. So this is really, really great. อันนี้ก็คือกันบ่อันนี้ก็แม่น Oh ขนมแซ่บ Yep. Okay. So it's got all this stuff over here. Yeah, so he has candies and stuff all over here. Oh, งามเบิด นี่ water. Yeah. Some water over here. น้ำดื่มSo just bottled water. So okay. So this is like from Laos, and so they don't have to pay as much for these to import it. And so here is the market that they're in. There's obviously many other vendors here, all the way down there. There's many markets like this. But here in Vientiane, they're in a great location. There's a lot of traffic here. And people just get out of the car and then come buy what they need. So this is pretty much one of those prime spots that you want to get. If you have a business like this, you want to be near a place where there's a lot of traffic. And this is a really great location. โดยผมมีพายบอกพอแต่งงานเมื่อใดหมอแล้ววะ So yeah, my cousin's giving me like a gift. Yeah. He say have good health. This is for New Year's. สายตาดีหุ้นดี Sap. แซ่บหลายโอ้ขอบใจเด้อคือจะ
เจ้า
โอเค